So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 7mm crochet hook, which is 2 sizes bigger than the recommended yarn. We'll start with a slip knot. Chain 2. 2 single crochet in the first chain. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. So basically what we're doing, we're making the increase on one side only, whether it's at the end of the row, at the end of the row or at the beginning of the row, one side increase only. If you find it any difficult to follow, check the written pattern to follow step by step with every row. I'll come back to show you how to change color, whether in the middle of the row or at the end. So here I'm done with the red color. I have done 30 rows of red color, and now I'm gonna introduce a new color. So I'll cut this off, and then from this last stitch you can see I'm gonna introduce the black color here. Here it is. I'll carry the thread along, so I'll hide it in between the stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Again, this is the straight side, so 1 single crochet in every stitch, and in the last row 2 single crochet, and I'll continue for 30 more rows with a black color, and with each color I'll make 30 rows until the end of my shawl. And here's how you hide the thread so you cannot see it. I'll come back and show you the final result. So this is the final result of the shawl. I have made 30 rows of each color, so I basically used one yarn ball for each color, and for the green I used 2 balls for to achieve 30 rows. So total is 120 rows. And this is the final result of the shawl. Very easy single crochet throughout, and the increase is only in one side. Don't forget to check the written pattern for more clarity, so you can follow along the video as well. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow and quick. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.